Hello IG Garage family. Is your car showing the P0057 error code and struggling with fuel efficiency? This issue can lead to increased emissions, poor engine performance, and higher fuel consumption. Ignoring it could even damage your catalytic converter. In this video, we'll cover what P0057 means, the exact sensor location, very important, and how to diagnose and fix it properly. Stay tuned, because fixing this issue now can save you expensive repairs later. What does P0057 mean? The P0057 code stands for Heated Oxygen Sensor, ho2s, Heater Control Circuit Low, Bank 2, Sensor 2. This means the downstream oxygen sensor heater circuit on Bank 2 is not receiving enough voltage to function properly. The heater inside the sensor helps it reach the correct operating temperature faster, improving fuel efficiency and emissions control. Symptoms of P0057 include check engine light on, poor fuel economy, higher emissions output, delayed oxygen sensor response, and possibly a rough engine idle. Common causes of P0057 are a faulty oxygen sensor, which may have a failed heater circuit inside a blown fuse or bad relay, preventing the sensor from functioning correctly, wiring issues such as broken, corroded, or disconnected wires, a bad ECU output where the engine control unit isn't supplying the correct voltage to the heater circuit, and lastly, a faulty ground connection, which can disrupt the heater function. Where's the oxygen sensor located for P0057? Let's break it down. First, Bank 2, Sensor 2 location, which is the downstream oxygen sensor. This sensor is located after the catalytic converter on the Bank 2 side of the engine. Now Bank 2 refers to the side of the engine opposite to cylinder 1. In V6 and V8 engines, Bank 2 is typically on the passenger side. Next, the oxygen sensor connector location. The sensor connects to the main engine wiring harness or ECU. Then, we have the fuse and relay for the heater circuit. These are typically found in the underhood fuse box. Be sure to check your vehicle's service manual for the exact fuse location. And here's a tip. Always check your vehicle's repair manual for the precise sensor location based on your engine type. Alright, let's move on to diagnosing and fixing P0057. First, check the oxygen sensor heater resistance. Use a multimeter to check resistance across the heater terminals. If the resistance is too high, replace the sensor. Next, inspect the wiring and connectors. Look for damaged, corroded, or disconnected wires. Repair or replace any faulty connections. Then test the fuse and relay. Locate the oxygen sensor heater fuse in the fuse box. If the relay is stuck, replace it. After that, check for the correct voltage at the sensor. Use a voltmeter to verify if the sensor is receiving the correct voltage. If the voltage is low, the issue may be with the ECU or wiring. Finally, clear the code and take the car for a test drive. After making repairs, reset the P0057 code and take the car for a test drive to confirm the fix. So, that's everything you need to know about P0057 ho2s. Heater Control Circuit Low, Bank 2, Sensor 2. If you're facing this issue, check your oxygen sensor, wiring, fuses, and heater circuit first. For more helpful car fixes, check out these videos next. P0132, ho2 Sensor Circuit High Voltage, Bank 1 Sensor 1, and P0071, Ambient Air Temperature Sensor Range, Performance. If this video helped you, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more expert fixes from IG Garage. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.